Hello, Aman, are you there?
Yes, Vaibhav. Hi.
Yeah,
Do you
now
have
I'm
any problem
audible.
with the internet?
Okay, so
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
I can hear you. Yes.
So whatever the questions I have read, I just recalling it again. So some of the guy has asked like how to prepare for abroad colleges. So
Okay.
we'll discuss about it later on because there we are bringing another live session for them. And about the part A and part B preparation. So someone asked about how to keep in mind the photos, etc., the paintings, all these things to solve in part B. Otherwise, you can keep posting your question that we can able to answer it.
Yes, guys, you can ask questions if you have.
Yeah, hello, Ayush, Harsh, etc. Murli. So Ayush is asking, I want to do automotive design. I am preparing for UCIT. Suggest which college is good for automotive design.
See, Ayush, if you're preparing for UC, then you're going to get IITs and some other private colleges. They're also taking from UC score. And for automotive, I think, Vaibhav, you also know about automotive. So for
Right.
automotive, you have IIT Bombay, NID. But in like after
IIT
you
Delhi.
clear UC,
Yeah.
but for undergraduate you have a common course. You don't have a specific branch code. So in this also you will be given some, you know, choices. You can choose subjects based on your interest every semester, and there will be some common subjects that you all of you will study. So I would suggest if you go to like because there has to be some environment for everything. If you're doing automotive, you have to have that environment around you where you can see and
Right.
learn a lot of things from your seniors also. People who are into masters, you can learn from them also. So if you're preparing for UCET, I would suggest if you can get into IIT Bombay, that would be very 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 good.
Right. So apart from that, I would say like IIT Bombay is good, IIT Delhi is good, and NID is good in India. And also there are
Yes,
private
yes.
colleges like MIT, PS, etc.
MIT
And
Pune is also
if you
good, yeah.
are having some have some of money, and if you want to go abroad by taking loan, etc., then ACCD, Art Center of College of Design, then CCS College for Creative Studios in USA. Both are in USA. थोड़ा चीप प्राइस में चाहिए होगा तो then थोड़ा इटली is proper like IED both are in Turin.
IIT, yeah.
Then
Very nice.
about UK Royal College of Art
Royal College of
Coventry
Arts.
guys. So yeah,
Coventry is
so
actually very
will
good. I
more
feel
seats
Coventry
सीट
and
है यहाँ पे.
CCS is like good, good colleges. They're good colleges
So about the preparation,
based on their fee
like
structure.
currently there are some 4 5 days, like 7 days left for UC and seed.
Last minute exam tips
So
for UCET. Kavi Rawat is asking last minute exam tips for UCET. Practice perspective every day, like 2 3 hours. Again, same thing. You practice kitchen scenarios, practice a lot of utensils. Vaibhav, in 2020, they have released their I think mock test or something online, IIT Bombay, on IIT Bombay website, if you see. So they had also asked kitchen perspective question related to it's related to kitchen. So they have asked a lot of utensils and a lot of appliances. Okay, so I think kitchen perspective is very very important. In
right.
seed also
So
they ask used to ask similar questions. And for part A, just go through all the UCED question papers. You try to solve almost everything if you can in these coming
right.
days. That will be a good practice for you. Otherwise, you cannot find a lot of things online. So it's going to be really hard for you to just cover everything. Just try to solve few question papers like 2020, 19, 18, and 17, if it's possible for you.
Right. I guess
And
whenever I'm
Vaibhav, I would like to add some more
yeah.
tips to all the students appearing for seed, USEED, NID, and everything. See, guys, you can carry color pencils along with you. Why color pencils? It's because there are a lot of questions which ask you to, find repetitive patterns, and a lot of questions where you have to, find some hidden shapes and all. So color pencils will actually help you in that in solving that quickly because when you're using normal pen or normal pencil single color, so it's difficult to remember things. You can either put number or you can either mark it. So when you're using color pencils, even that will be very easy for you to. For example, there's a question you have to count number of triangles in certain shape. So it gets very hard. You get confused whether I counted it or not. So in order to get that right, I would suggest you to use color pencils, if if possible for you.
Right.
And you can also and what else you can do? You can carry A4 sheets along with you, and to quickly write things, to quickly fold paper, to quickly see a lot of things. There was a question in USEED where they were asking about, like they had a paper where some numbers were marked. So it was a booklet basically. So they folded it 3 times. So if you have a paper and you can just quickly write down those numbers and fold the paper, and you can check which number is coming in the front side or back side. So it gets easy to answer things. I mean, if you have to be very very sure about it, I think these kind of tricks and tips will help you a lot. Color pencils, A4 sheets.
About A4 sheets, I think like some जो center है वो they will allow it or not. We are not sure about that, right? So about the color pencil, you can carry, guys. I'm not sure about
You can carry you can
A4.
carry along with
Yeah.
you. That's not a problem. That's yeah.
So in this last days, only some days are left. So most important thing is practicing exam papers, solving it in time with
Is
proper
IED,
perspective,
IAD preferable for
proportions,
them from
etc.
my
All
point
these
of view?
things.
So there's a guy asking about IED, IAAD, and Forzyme. Which one is better, IED, IAD, or Forzyme?
It
Through
depends.
money point of view.
IID price is a little less. Pifosium, for Pifosium, you require Bachelor of Design. It's in Germany, and
Forzyme,
it's
I
one
think
of the best.
Forzyme,
Yeah,
yeah, Forzyme is one
it's one
very
of the best
reputed. Yeah,
college in the world for the transportation design.
transportation, automotive design. Yes.
Yeah. So it's better that if you could get admission in Pifosium, so सही है,
Cracking
right?
Forzyme is also hard. It's not that easy.
Right. So hello Payal, there are a lot of our friends, Payal, Anal, and Lalna. Hello everyone. Yeah. So uh, yeah, practice perspective, practice proportions, practice exam within a time, and be cool. Don't take any tension during the examination, right? Because what happened, we used to fear surrounding guys by seeing there's
In
something
seed,
noise.
usually you freak out when
uh,
you see part B.
yeah,
Sometimes because of the details they're asking are too much to sketch in that amount of time. So in UC, if you practice perspective properly, you can draw some scenarios quickly. But for part A, you are given, I think you're given good time, 2 hours. I think they're good. 2 hours
right.
on, you can spend that time on part A. You can practice a lot. There are a lot of questions you can practice, man. You can practice seed question papers, previous year question papers. At least to
Yeah,
understand the pattern, you can do these. And
most important thing is, while practicing, observation is most important thing, cause of observation you can able to imagine and you can able to draw the things. If you
correct.
don't observe, you can't imagine and you are not able to draw, and that's at the fear start. And another thing is
Exactly.
that while in exam, like there are students from BFA, or like they have done a lot of sketching from childhood, they bring very great pencil sets, markers, etc. So don't see there, don't look at them, cause it makes freak you out, right? So focus on your paper and solve it with calmly.
I think like this kind of fear or anything, whatever we can call it, about sketching. See, whenever we start sketching, I think you just have to sit somewhere. You have to look and observe, as you said. You have to observe to learn to sketch. So you can put some objects in front of you and try to sketch it in different views. If you have a cup, or if you have a plate or
Right.
something, your laptop, your computer, your CPU, and any other appliance or anything, any object, you should just sit and try to sketch it. I think that's the best approach to improve your sketching. You can also copy somebody's sketch online. You can download some of the sketches. Human figures you can practice. You can practice mobile phones, trimmers for industrial design and all.
Next
So with
question
time you
is
will alternative
yeah. Well,
institutes. Somebody was asking about alternative institutes, Vaibhav, apart from IIT and NID, private institutes for industrial design.
okay, so there are various good colleges like MIT, then UPSC and UID. Yeah, and what do you think others?
I think
Aman, in India?
people should start preparing for UCET and CET first,
Yeah,
rather than thinking about some other colleges. Because if our approach is like this, that it is hard, we won't do it. So that's not a good approach, I think, Vaibhav. People should at least start preparing for UCET and CET.
right.
Then it's on their luck and their practice and their hard work.
Yeah,
If they crack UCET, they'll be getting into IITs. And if they don't, then with that UCET score, they can at least apply to some good private colleges. So
right,
let's not discuss about colleges. Just we're discussing about cracking UCET, CET, and NID. Why can't you do it? You can do it. It's all about your
right,
attitude.
right. So you don't have to give
Ayush is
up,
asking another
and
question. You don't just
yeah.
give up. If you give
So
up
there
now,
is one
then obviously
question.
things are going to get really hard later on. When you get into design colleges, again, you will have the same approach towards things. You won't be able to survive there also. So
Okay,
just
so
don't
one,
get afraid of the pattern and question papers.
yeah.
Everything
Next
takes time. You
question
can
is
prepare for it. Yeah.
right, right. So, question from Ayush, sir. Can you please tell us about two-wheeler design like bike, scooter? Yeah, Aman, what do you think?
Two-wheeler designs. He's asking about like
Two-wheeler
colleges or
designs.
two-wheeler design, because we are discussing about seed and ID and not about two-wheeler
Okay,
design.
so
So
Ayush
if
will
you are
discuss about it
doing
later.
two-wheeler and all, we can discuss about it later also. But if you are doing two-wheeler design, just don't. I would suggest if you're starting, if you're preparing for seed or UC, don't just stick to something. Uh, and if you get into a good college, as I already suggested, you can go to IDC, you can go to NID for automotive design if you're very, very hardcore, passionate about automotive design. So you can go to IDC and IIT, sorry, NID, and then I think it will take time for you to understand you are exactly into two-wheelers or four-wheelers or whatever. But you should be able to do almost everything because you're a designer. Let's not just stick
Right,
to two-wheelers or three-wheelers or four-wheelers. Because you're a designer, you should be able to do things.
right. So it's not about only. Don't focus only on automotive or like
Just you,
UI
because
UX,
you are
whatever
in
you are
an
doing.
exploration
Yeah,
stage. I would
right,
suggest you guys should explore more. Don't just stick to something right now. Just get into a design college and eventually you will learn what you are for, what you can do, that what is your strength. So that you will develop with your course, throughout your course.
okay. So next question will move on. So Shubhankit Jain, yeah, hi Shubhankit, good, thanks. Shubhankit is one of like my friend. So he is asking, hey Webo, you can discuss about time management in exam. It will be helpful. Okay. About the time management, for the part B, you having like 2 hours, and for UCD you having half hour. Okay. So there are 5 questions, and every year the paper pattern changes, right? And this year,
Yes.
like from last year, they are having 5 questions, so almost 25 minutes for every question, for 5 questions, 24 minutes. Okay. And in between time, you have to be very creative with your sketches. You have to be very uh, creative with your proportions, postures, ideas, right? And put it in that time limit. So
Hmm.
you can do this, then it's easy for you guys to crack, because there are already thousands of students give exam, and you have to be uh, top rankers so that you will get a
It,
call for interview, right?
People are asking for tips for part A
Yeah,
seed,
some,
like carrying color pencils. Yeah, color pencils is one thing. And color pencil will help you to solve a lot of questions, not just counting question. A lot of other questions it will help. So, what can be other things, Weber? What do you think about part A, seed part A? Do you remember any
so
question?
part A is basically like GK, current affairs,
No,
aptitude, reasoning, all these things. And
yeah,
observation
like
is
he's
most
asking for
important thing.
tips. Exactly.
Yeah. So tips, see, short time tips we are giving, whatever we are giving, but it takes very previous hustle. Cause of
I
hustle,
think
you guys able
A4
to
sheets
crack
also
the,
can help.
right,
As,
for
as I
part A.
suggested about color pencils, I think A4 sheets can also help because there are questions of folding, unfolding also. So folding, unfolding, if you can cut the sheet just roughly with your hand, tear it or whatever, you can actually get a lot of ideas. You can at least pick the right answer. This is one. Carry A4 sheets or spare paper or anything or color pencils. And there
Right.
are questions like paintings and all that you have to learn. We can't do in anything in that. You have to go through all the painters and their styles. You have to learn that. Then GK questions. Okay, logos and all, where you have to recognize the logos. So all these can be, learned. You can go online and check.
There is another
For
question
finding
for
difference between
finding
two
us
pics, we
between.
can mark on the screen. No, you cannot mark on the screen. How can you mark on the screen? I would suggest just put a A4 sheet there and mark on the paper. So count.
Right. Right.
Just try it. What's the problem?
So, like almost we have covered questions. Any guys having any questions, queries, you can DM us, right? Also, we are planning something for you, right? Um, I think you
Before
want
the
to
exam.
discuss.
Yeah. So guys, if you have any queries or any questions, if anybody feels that their question has not been answered, so you can DM Miglio Design Studio on Instagram, and Miglio Design Studio will get back to you. And if you have further
Right.
queries regarding anything else, like sketching, automotive design, you want to ask about college or anything, you can even talk to Webov.
There is
Are we
another
sure we can
question.
carry A4 sheets? Obviously, you can carry A4 sheet, but don't carry blank sheets only.
Depends. Yeah. Also, it depends on institute. Like some of the institute may allow or not allow, right?
I think A4 sheets won't have any problem. Carrying A4 sheets is just fine. Even I
Yeah.
used to carry
Okay.
A4 sheets.
That's great.
Yeah. Just try things, man. It's all right. Nobody's going to kill you for that.
Yeah, Shubhank is saying no, you can't carry
No,
A4
you
sheet.
can't
Yeah,
carry A4
that's
sheet.
what I'm saying. It depends on institute. Still,
Oh,
you
okay.
can carry with you,
Maybe,
and
yeah.
if they don't allow, don't carry. So
Just don't
not an
carry.
issue.
Exactly. If they don't
Yeah.
allow, don't carry. Yeah.
So whatever examination
But
you are
you
preparing,
can you can
yeah,
take A4 sheets from them also, na? If you're not allowed to carry, then you can take A4 sheets from them
yeah,
for
yeah,
rough
yeah.
work or
That's the
anything.
thing.
I think that
There is one questions from in part A: how we solve mathematical
mathematical
questions in
questions
minimal times.
in minimum time.
So
That's that's
it's depend on totally on our like solving speed,
It depends on your
IQ,
practice.
all this thing,
Yeah.
practice. Right? And if sometimes what happen, one like during our when we have given examination, there are some
Yeah.
questions which take maximum times. So sometimes we have to skip
Actually,
that question, right?
exactly. If the question is taking too long, just skip it and move on to the next question. Don't waste time in solving part A questions too much. If you're not getting the answer in like 2, 3, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, then just leave it.
Right,
Move on to the next question. You can come back and check it if you have time, but like there are questions which which you won't be even able to solve. In that case, I think it's better to skip and go on to the next questions.
right. So any question, guys?
There are some questions that take a lot of time. You can solve them, but they will take a lot of time. But that's not worth it, I think. Sometimes wasting 10-15 minutes over a question, like, no. You can do
Right.
3-4 questions in that time.
So get admission why after cracking UCIT seat cause it's very important and you guys are able to learn design from various veteran designers already who have worked in industry and they came to like
There will
teaching
be a lot
faculty
of
at
people who will visit.
IIT and
Exactly.
NID, right?
Exactly. They'll be visiting your colleges, you will be having workshops and all. So I think it's a good
It's good
platform for
to take
all of you to interact with industry people, and you will
right.
learn a lot of things. And
Any book you want to
you'll get a lot
suggest
of tips also. Books.
like
Books for?
for this exam like
I
like
no,
any
there are no books for SEED, USEED or NID. You
right,
just have previous year question papers, and then there only coaching centers provide their own content.
right.
So if anybody is interested, they may contact Miglio Design Studio if they want to get training or something or some mock test or anything. Can you also do
Can
one
you
sketching
also do one
session
session?
time with us for part B? Sketching session for part B. You see part B, okay.
Yeah,
So
I
right
guess we
before
are we should plan
now, I
something
think
for
it's not
this. Yeah,
possible, but maybe we can
yeah,
before exam. I think we can plan that. That's not
right.
a big deal. If you guys are interested, we may have some session or anything for sketching, for solving perspective question at least.
So whenever you solve the exam, like perspective wala, like interview, etc. So see the line of horizon where you are taking, etc. thing. So you can able to draw the scenario properly with the proportions and all these things, right? We'll try to do something for this. And what's left? So I guess we have covered all type of
Almost
questions.
a lot of questions.
Yeah.
I think if you have
So
any
Ashish is
further
there,
questions, I think people can DM Milliard Design Studio.
right? So yeah, anything else we should wrap up, Aman?
Yeah,
What do you
we,
think?
we can wrap up.
Yeah.
Some of the basic questions
So
have been answered, so we can.
yeah. So thank you so much, everyone. If you're having any question, any query, any suggestions, please directly message to the page, and we'll get back to you. And thank you so much, Aman. Do they
Thank
allow
you, Vaibhav. Thank you so much.
wristwatch? There is one last question. Do they allow wristwatch? You can carry that, not an issue. It's not big deal,
Yeah, this was
right?
obviously we'll carry this was an exam.
Because it's a creative exam. You are not going to carry any cheats, etc. thing, right? During the if it is the exam of normal, like etc. So some people can carry cheats, etc. Anyways,
Okay.
all the
It
best,
was a great
guys.
discussion with you, Vaibhav.
Yeah, thank you
So,
so much,
all the
Aman.
best to
It
all
was
the
great. Yeah,
aspirants of seed and UC and ND
right.
also.
So yeah, thanks again, and we'll meet you soon.
Yeah, sure, Vaibhav.
चलो तो all the best,
Okay.
guys. Give
All the
properly
best,
exam.
everybody.
It's yeah. चलो तो I'm just switching it off.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you again.
Okay. Take care, man. Bye.
Take care.